While a healthy diet that includes sufficient fiber is beneficial for overall health, there is no definitive evidence to suggest that it can prevent Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease is a complex neurodegenerative disorder with various contributing factors, including genetics, age, lifestyle, and other environmental influences. However, maintaining a balanced and nutritious diet, which includes an adequate amount of dietary fiber, can support overall brain health and may help reduce the risk of certain age-related cognitive decline. A high-fiber diet typically includes fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, and nuts, which provide essential nutrients, antioxidants, and phytochemicals that support brain function. Fiber-rich foods help regulate blood sugar levels, promote healthy digestion, and support cardiovascular health. These factors indirectly contribute to maintaining a healthy brain. Additionally, some studies have suggested that a healthy diet, including a variety of fruits and vegetables, may help reduce the risk of developing Alzheimer's disease. However, more research is needed to establish a direct link between dietary fiber and Alzheimer's prevention. It's important to note that while a healthy diet is beneficial, it should be part of an overall healthy lifestyle, which includes regular physical exercise, mental stimulation, and social engagement. These factors, in combination with a balanced diet, can help support brain health as you age. If you're concerned about your risk of Alzheimer's disease or other forms of dementia, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice and recommendations.